Is your Insignia Fire TV remote not working? No matter how many times you press the buttons, nothing happens? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues Fire TV users face. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to get your remote working again. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have your remote back in action. Step 1. Check the batteries. First things first, check the batteries. Many times, weak or dead batteries are the main cause. Remove the back cover of the remote, take out the old batteries, and replace them with a fresh pair. Always use high-quality alkaline batteries. If you're using rechargeable ones, make sure they're fully charged. After replacing, press the power or home button to test. Step 2. Restart your Fire TV device. Sometimes the issue isn't the remote itself, but the Fire TV device. Unplug your TV or Fire Stick from the power outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Now try using your remote again. This often clears minor connection glitches. Step 3. Repair the remote. If the batteries are fine and restarting didn't help, your remote might need to be paired again. To do this, press and hold the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds. The LED light should start flashing, meaning it's trying to reconnect. Once paired, you should see a message on the screen confirming the connection. Step 4. Reset the remote. If pairing doesn't work, try resetting the remote. Press and hold the back button, menu button, and left navigation button together for about 15 seconds. Release them, then remove the batteries, wait 30 seconds, and put them back in. After that, hold the home button again to repair. Step 5. Use the Fire TV app as a remote. If your physical remote still doesn't work, don't panic. You can download the Amazon Fire TV app on your smartphone, Android, or iOS. It works as a fully functional remote with navigation, voice control, and keyboard support. This way, you can still use your TV while troubleshooting or waiting for a replacement remote. So there you go, 5 easy fixes to solve the Insignia Fire TV remote not working issue. If one step doesn't work, move to the next. Most people get their remote working with battery replacement or repairing. If not, the Fire TV app is a perfect backup. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more helpful TV tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.